Prep your body for deeper and safer back bends. Let's start by warming up the body with cat and cow. Inhale to lift the chest and exhale to round the back. Take your time with 5 to 6 slow rounds to warm up the spine. Go at your own pace. If you need to pause the video at any time, please do so and come back when you are ready. Take deep breaths throughout, focusing on inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Now let's go into thread the needle. Reach one arm under your body and across the mat, gently twisting through the upper back. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. When you're ready, switch over to the other side. The next 2 exercises are going to strengthen our core and glutes. Let's go ahead and get started with those. From all fours, extend one arm and the opposite leg into bird dog. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Do 3 rounds to fire up the deep core muscles. Now let's go into glute bridges. Lie on your back, feet flat, lift the hips up and squeeze at the top. Do this for 30 seconds. This helps protect your lower back during bending. Rest for 20 to 30 seconds and then repeat for 30 seconds. Get ready to go into your next set now. time to sit up and go back onto all fours. Here we will go into puppy pose, walking the hands forward and letting the chest melt towards the mat. This opens the shoulders and upper back. Hold this pose for 30 seconds. Remembering to breathe throughout the pose. Slowly start to come out of this pose, and then we'll step into a lunge. Reach one arm straight overhead. This stretches the hip flexors and lengthens through the side body. Switch sides after 20 to 30 seconds. Switch over to the other side. Staying in your lunge position, we will go straight into lizard pose. Drop both hands inside your front foot and go onto your elbows if you can. If not, it's fine to stay on your hands. You can also use blocks to make this easier. Hold this pose for 30 seconds each side. Moving on to the other side. Beautiful. Let's get into our back bends. Lie on your belly for Cobra pose. Press into your hands, lifting your chest off the floor without squeezing too hard on the lower back. Take a few deep, slow breaths here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Rest and repeat Cobra as many times as you would like. You can leave it here for the back bends, or you can flip onto your back for a bridge pose. Lift the hips, press into your feet and open through the chest. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat as many times as you would like. Well done. Now let's release everything with child's pose. Knees wide, arms forward and straight as you can, and breathe into the lower back. Take some nice deep breaths here in your own time. Here you can release any tensions that have built up through the day. Come out of this stretch and we can go ahead and roll onto our back for happy baby. Grab the outsides of your feet and gently rock side to side. This is a great release after all that deep opening we did. Repeat this routine 1 to 2 times a week to build and maintain strength and flexibility in your back bends. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check out my bridge prep short, which is linked below.